Wild Horse. Gonna be running out. It's a cold one today, boys and girls. Got a good 20 to 30 mile an hour wind gusts. Got plenty of snow. A little different this time, staying at one of the old Wild Horse cabins. Pretty nice. Brought up a newbie, Trevor DeBraga. He's getting his stuff on. Get the old coveralls. He's gonna go out and catch some fish today, huh, Trev?
Big snapper.
So, anyways, waiting for another Fallon compadre. My buddy's is should be on the way, but he drives, you know, he doesn't like snow, so he drives like really slow, which I get. Anyways, if you ever get a chance, come up to northeast Nevada, about an hour out of Elko, Wild Horse. Very good place. So there's my wife. Yeah, she's all bundled up. So yeah, it's cold. Hopefully we have a little better day tomorrow. But in the end, we got tents, we got heaters, we got fishing poles, we've got bait. So let's get out there and drill a few holes. Day one was in the books. Storm hit us pretty hard. We had to head back to the cabin, had some good eats, a lot of laughs, played some games, and got ready for day number 2. Ice fishing Wild Horse. Got the camera set in here for Alicia. You see him, Alicia? Look at that. Can you see? Look at that. And you can see her bait. Move it more, right? No, right. I can see it on this. Let you check out some of the footage of the cool fish in my camera. So as a group, our goal day 2 was to put many perch on the ice as we could. We threw a lot back that were under that like 9-10 inches, but we kept a lot. We put 55 on the ice that we wanted to fillet and make some really good fresh fish tacos. So the boys and I, we started filleting, having good times, having a few drinks while the girls went in the cabin and prepped for the big feast of fresh perch. So as you can see, a lot of preparation. Everybody was doing their part to kind of make a really good dinner. We were all excited. We got to have the good fixins. And as you can see, a lot of laughs and just feeding our faces. And that's the end result, fresh perch. WildHorse, day 2. We put 60 fish on the ice yesterday. That's in perch. And then 4 trout. We're gonna go after trout this morning. A little different tactic, kind of shallower water. So a lot better day. Cold though, about 9 degrees. Had problems with the side-by-sides, but here we go. Big trout trap? Big trout. Big trout. Wife and everybody's grabbing poles. Big trout, Sid? Big trout. Big trout, she says. Anyways, stay tuned. Didn't get in the trout like we really wanted to, but for our last few hours on our last day, the smiles were still there. So I'd like to also show a picture of a trout that Derek caught. It was 3.2 pounds on the scale. Something to be very proud of. Can't see very well because of the dark shadow, but in the end, we still had a blast. And that is the conclusion of this video. That is WildHorse. And we had some great times, as you can see, with a little bonus picture of one of our friends. Ooh, right there. Anyways, lots of fun, laughter, smiles. Wouldn't change it. Thanks for watching.